Good morning, students. Today we are back again and will continue further with the new topic in our fractions. Our today's topic is addition and subtraction of like fractions. Now students, as you are aware, we have learnt the addition and subtraction of whole numbers. Now let us extend the same for fractions and learn to add and subtract fractions. So our topic is, as I said, addition and subtraction of like fractions. We have taken an example, students, over here. We have taken an example of two girls, Madhu and Vani. Madhu, as you can see, she has eaten 3/8 of a pizza. Whereas another girl, Vani, she has eaten 4/8 of a pizza. Then the question is, how much did they all eat together? Now observe that the given fractions are like fractions. 3/8 and 4/8. They are like fractions. To add like fractions, we follow the below given steps. Step 1. In step 1, what are we supposed to be doing? We are supposed to be adding the numerators. So the numerator here is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Step 2. Write the common denominator as it is. In this case here it is 8. Step number 3. Now we have to be writing the fractions as the sum of numerators divided by the common denominator. And the fourth step, we have to put down and express the fraction obtained in the simplest form. The question is, how much quantity is eaten by Madhu and Vani together? So you can see 3/8 was eaten by Madhu, 4/8 was eaten by Vani. We add up the two as the denominator is the same. We add up the two and we get 7 and denominator is 8. So the total fraction eaten by the two girls together is 7/8 eaten together. Now if the same case, we take example number 2 or example number B, we can say, how much more pizza was eaten by Vani than Madhu? First we had done the addition, now we will do the subtraction. Now to subtract the like fractions, again we will follow the below given steps. Step 1. Subtract the numerator. So 4 minus 3. The total was, as usually it would be, Vani had eaten 4/8 and Madhu had eaten 3/8. So 4/8 minus 3/8. So we'll take 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Then step number 2. Again write down and mention the common denominator. That is, in this case it is 8. Step number 3. Now we will write down the fraction as first we had taken the sum of denominators and now it will be the difference between the numerators. Difference, as you all know, is subtraction. Whole divided by the common denominator. So step number 4. We will write down and put down the fraction in the simplest form. So difference is equal to 4/8, I repeat, that was which was eaten by Vani, minus 3/8 that was eaten by Madhu. 4 minus 3 whole upon 8. We will get as 1/8. So we can say therefore that Vani had eaten 1/8 fraction pizza more than Madhu. Okay students. Now moving further, we will take and move out onto the next topic, that is addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. To add and subtract unlike fractions, first we have to convert them into the like fractions by taking the LCM of the denominator and then follow the same procedure as used for like fractions. So here we will be taking first the addition part. First we will take example number 24. 24th A we will take. Add and subtract the following numbers, the following fractions. So the first one is 5/6 plus 4/9. Here in this we have to have the addition carried out. The solution. First we will take the LCM of 6 and 9, which is 18. Now making the denominators equal to the LCM, we have, you can see, 5/6 plus 4/9. Now what are we supposed to be doing? We have to be multiplying the LCM with the numerators. So we have got 18 as the LCM, and I have multiplied 18 to the numerator side. I have multiplied 18 here, as well as on the other side of plus I have multiplied 18 here. Now if you see, I can cancel it off. 6 ones are and 6 threes are. 9 ones are and 9 twos are. In the next step, 5 threes are will become 15. 15 upon 18, and 4 twos are is 8. So plus 8 upon 15. Now we will add up the numerators because the LCM is the same, the denominator is the same. 15 plus 8 will give us 23, and then we can mention it down as 23 upon 18. In sum number B, now we will carry out the subtraction. If you see the next sum, 9 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8. We will follow the same procedure. First we'll take out the LCM of 2 and 8, which is 8. Again we'll write down the same question here, 9 upon 2 minus 3 upon 8. And like the addition part, we will multiply the LCM with the numerator. I have multiplied 8 here, I have multiplied 8 on the other side of minus. 2 ones are and 2 fours are will give me 8. And 8 gets cancelled, 8 one times. So in the next step, 4 nines are will become 36. The denominator remains the same, 8, because it is the LCM as well. Minus 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3. So that remains as 3 upon 8. So now I can subtract 36 minus 3 whole upon 8, which will give me 33 upon 8. So this is how we will have the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions carried out. I hope you have understood the topic for the today and the content has become clearer to you people. Yes, so with this we will end our session over here. Thank you all and God bless.